Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion Mail. A brief tutorial on how to use Notion Mail. So as you can see here, this is the main interface right now. So it's similar to the interface of Gmail. So if you've been using Google Mail, then definitely you won't have a hard time navigating through the system. Well, most email platforms looks the same, so you won't really have a hard time with when it comes to interacting with the system. So here you can see we have here what we call views. These are actually the labels that we have created by email. So created by Notion Mail rather. So it created job alerts, cold outreach or spam emails for us. And the way you can do this is by just clicking through the auto label right here. You can create your own by clicking add view. Then here you can configure it manually. You can use a template or you can use the AI feature right here. So for example, here, security alerts and notifications. Definitely we want that. So here it's searching for relevant emails already. And then soon it will create a label for this specific um, type of email, security alerts and notifications. So once that's done, you'll see some samples right here. And then just click on save. And then automatically it will appear here on views. As you can see, already added security alert. So that's one way to organize. Now, in terms of your usual tools for emails, it can be found here. These are all of our mail right here. You can search emails through here as well. So, for example, if we search jobs right there, you can see everything here already. If you search for a specific person, so let's say tutorials there, it will also appear here. And then if you're looking for send messages, it's all here as well. Your drafts are here. Your spam is here as well. And then trash is here, of course. And then settings. There are different themes here. So we have the light theme, the dark theme, and you have the system theme. Thread style, you can also change it to center peak, full page, but we'll use a side peak from here. You can also adjust the font size to a large font size, or you can just stick with the regular font size. You can use the Notion email AI right here for your labels or for your organization. You can also utilize Gmail filter since my account is linked with Gmail. You have your snippets right here. You can create new snippets by clicking on create for your shortcuts. And then you have here your signature. You can add in your own signature right here. And then you have, of course, access to your account. You can export email data. You can delete email data as well. In terms of sending out emails, it's pretty much the same. So let's try to send out an email to myself. Right here, let's say Notion test email. You can create an email using AI. So just click on Ask AI right here. Draft a test email. Automatically, it will create a test email for us, like so. Then just click it, and then you can enter in the name here. Or you can just remove that as well. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to give you a gist of what Notion Mail looks like. So basically, you can connect it with any of your existing emails. You can connect it either with Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, any email that you are using for any browser. And the best part about this is you can use it on your phone as well. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.